The memoir of 1975 is brimming over with events, activities, and accolades. Add to it the enthusiastic batch of 1975 has made it comprehensive with their narratives of the precious moments spent at Don Bosco Matunga. We glance at the management, staff, and the student leaders before turning our attention to the important stories of the year. To start with, let's turn back the clock to the era of our interest. Dr. Sunil M. Keshwani, head of Burns Hospital, Airoli, and batch of 1975, speaks of his fond memories of the school with a difference.
Dear friends, we have really great fond memories of our school, Don Bosco High School, Matunga, Mumbai. It was a school with a difference. A school where work and play went together hand in hand. We had good teachers, in fact excellent teachers, who put their heart and soul into the lectures that they gave. And we hardly had to go back home and read anything at all. They were so good. And at the same time, we had a whole lot of games and sports which very few other schools had in our time. We had table tennis, we had roller skating, we had hockey, we had football, we had basketball, we used to play square ball. You name it, we had it. Of course, there was that very exciting Savio club where we had even a billiards table in our time, which at that point in time, I guess we were the only school having a billiards table. A whole lot of books. At those times, people said comics are not good, and we had all the comics that we had in the Savio club. We used to have Thursdays and Sundays holidays, and even Thursdays, I remember, I used to rush to school, either to play a game or to watch a movie which was being shown by Savio club. Also, we had a plethora of debates, elocutions, dramatics, the annual days. We had our school taking us for swimming to the Mahatma Gandhi swimming pool at Shivaji Park. In vacations, there would be outings. Remember, the school taking us to places like Sri Lanka, even overseas. I mean, we were a school with a difference. And when I went to college, it was only then I realized what a great school we had. Because then you saw the difference between yourself and your other classmates from other schools. You stood out. You had a sense of confidence, the way we spoke, the way we carried ourselves, and the way our general knowledge and demeanor was. It developed our leadership skills and gave us the confidence to stand up in society and make a rightful place under the sun. Thank you.
We continue this episode with the archived memories of 1975 that are worthy of recall.
Born in the middle-class family at Sohagpur, Brother George Vegas heard about the Salesians while working in the overseas cable and wireless company. He had a very lucrative post, yet he gave it up to follow his call. His determination to stay as a Salesian was clear. After his training, he spent his life at Tardeo and Matunga. He could be considered the right-hand man of Father Maschio, helping him tide over the debts and advising him on men and matters of Bombay city. He set up the administrative infrastructure of the fledgling institution at Matunga. He was ready to do odd jobs, like being the book storekeeper. His clothes were simple and bore witness to his poverty. He would use the simplest mode of transport and coupled it with a very frugal lifestyle. He excelled as a community man, bringing joy to all. To all his undertakings, he added that touch of efficiency, perfection, and his ready wit.
What was so special of the year 1975? Well, you hear it for yourselves from the batch of 1975 with ex-president of the Don Bosco Matunga Past Pupils Unit, Jayesh Chandan, leading the way.
Hello. Hi everybody. Let me introduce myself. I am Jayesh Chandan from the 1975 new batch of Don Bosco High School Matunga. This institute celebrates its 80th year today, and it's a proud moment for us to be able to record this video and send across to the alma mater teachers of the present. Going back to where we were in school, we have very fond memories of running around the corridors and playing in the playgrounds, and having been very mischievous and naughty. Apart from being studious, we are very worthy of what we are today, thanks to our alma mater. God bless all the management, the teachers, the management staff, the working staff and all others for putting into us the values which make us into good human beings. Don Bosco has been upfront in sports, and we have been proud to be associated with major games like hockey, football and cricket. Cricket was at its best when we were playing in the Dial Shield and follow up with the Harris Shield during 1974-75, and we are very thankful to Father Adolf, who was in charge at that time, along with Coach B.D. Desai. These are a few names who are always fondly remembered apart from many others. Sir Patel was the one who put us into fitness regime, and also there are so many other teachers like Mrs. Kher, who taught us the vernacular language of Marathi, Mrs. Sampath, who taught us Gujarati, and there was always this maverick Father Vaz, Vincent Vaz, who put into us what is maths. 1 + 1 is equal to 2, and also 1 and 1 is equal to 11. That's what he taught us, and it was with all fun and jest. The first 10 + 2 + 3 batch, this is when the system of education changed from 11 + 4 to 10 + 2 + 3. So here is Jayesh Chandan reporting to you in virtual robot. This is Raj Sangvi.
Arun Krishnan, way to go, 75. Rajesh Undevia, God bless.
Ajit Mehrishi.
Rajesh Chande.
Hey, I'm Dr. Nimish. All the very best.